$500 M3. Got this thing for 500 bucks. That battery?
She dead.
The whip. Exhaust delete.
No, it still has a saddle.
Oh, that's a nice little add-on there.
Oh yeah. She's going right off.
Oh, I'll see her. Get this first start. Yeah, I mean,
Well,
doesn't sound too great, but
turn the light off.
hood delete on the M3. Hood delete was successful. Now what are we doing? Taking off the core support?
Yeah, we're gonna try. Or maybe.
The mint $500 M3.
See, it wasn't more mid from her until I wrecked it.
Got the Bill Stevens. I'd like to retire.
It's easy.
Should be ready to come out.
There's one more.
Oh,
That's
got more?
It's probably like bent, but it's like there. Oh. This one might just come out.
This one's out.
There's one more screw. This one there and then. Weird.
Basically, we gotta disassemble this beauty and then take it to the frame. Are you just gonna try to bend the frame back on this one with the shop?
That's what my dad wants to do. Oh, there's that other one.
This frame's a little bent.
sideways.
For 500 bucks though, this thing's freaking mint. A little bit of a incident over here. Nothing some hammer can't fix. Gotta disassemble the front end now. She ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there she is.
Mint.
So the headlights like fine, but gotta get those halos.
Oh, find that.
They're 3 or 4.
5.
What?
Yeah. Or they're actually my only before they came out.
Oh, here it is. Probably put those somewhere. I took the bulbs out of these.
Just disconnect the harness, don't take the bulb out. Yo, what is holding it up?
There's no plugs.
The other screw. Oh, this one didn't break. That was cool with the other side. So I only got like 2 of the bolts. Pop it out.
Yeah. Headlights gone. That's the source of the damage right there, boys.
Fix it with a hammer.
She's still mint.
Still runs. Why is this actually in?
Some more disassembling of this bad boy. What does it go to? Oh,
It just goes to the alternator, but it's broken, so it doesn't go to anything.
it's fucking mint. Got that. What brand radiator is this?
Zionsville.
Is that good?
Radiator.
All I know is the beater Honda parts. Is that good?
That's great. Yeah, it's pretty good. Solid radiator.
It's fucking mint. That's sick. You gotta come out now.
The AC condenser is a little bit rounded. It's a little bit rounded.
A little bit.
What we have to do is this. Dude, look how close that thing got.
Hopefully the radiator's still good. Look how close it is over here.
Yeah, It's like it's in the engine. It's in the AC condenser or the.
It's funny because you can see,
compressor.
looking from this angle, that the radiator is just visibly facing this way, like tilted, because that side's still bent.
Well, it happens when you hit a tree.
Yeah, trees are meant to be hidden.
To be hidden. Yeah.
You're...
See, the engine comes out with 4 volts. 2 up here, 2 down there.
Hey, we just did the motor mounts on my car, so...
Training.
How
do you think this thing comes off? Pull it.
Wait, are you still gonna engine swap it if it's if you're using this frame?
Dude, engine swap or build S52.
LS it. Put in the comments, Tin Racers, what are you thinking, LS or keep the keep this bad boy in there? Cam it.
Damn it. Oh, we gotta punch this back up a little bit. Oh, see, look, you can put it right back where it used to be. See, look at this.
Oh yeah.
See, look, man.
Mint condition, lightly used, never treed into a tree.
See, look, just bend it right back.
Oh, you're gonna need a new one of those.
What do we got under here? Looks like it's 2 solid 8 mils. Nothing this thing can't handle.
You leaking something?
What?
I thought you were leaking something.
Well, I'm definitely leaking something. But it's not.
Is the front sway bar like not bent?
No, it's fine.
Gee, in the
Drive
axles?
straight.
CV?
Oh, well, CB's like ripped open in the back.
You got a
There's
little
no
leak
axle
down
in the
there.
front because it's not a gay Honda. Remember, they're in the back like a,
Oh,
like a
that's
regular
right.
real car.
Like a real man's car. So the only other like noticeable damage on this bad boy is CV joint. A little bit, and then the sway bar is also pushed in like
It's like a foot.
just a foot off. And then spare tire holders, you know, what I like to say, clapped. But race cars don't need spare tires. Extra weight.
Why you know come out?
What are you doing now?
I'm trying to get this thing out, but I might have to remove this.
Oh yeah, it's gotta come off.
Is this clapped? Yo, yeah, it's clapped. Alright, we got it.
Night, angle grinder time, baby.
Get off.
When you can't get it off, you might as well just full sender, huh?
How am I even gonna cut that shit? Fucking...
Oh, it's your tire.
Yeah, maybe I should fucking just.
Oh yeah. Let's analyze our options here.
There might be an easier way. Yeah, the other one just didn't come out.
Almost off.
Oh, hand me the other. Freaking not that.
This one?
Let's see.
Mid frame rail.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
she's
yeah.
coming out.
There we go. Oh, your kidneys.
Dude, I still got one left.
That's
Still
all you
got the
need.
bike
Sell it on the
accident.
black market for 200,000.
Yeah, should I always leave one kidney hole open?
Yeah.
Like, the car has one left. Once all the kidneys are gone, the whole car's gone. What the fuck is holding it?
Oh, it's just bad. Give her a yank. She'll come.
Yay!
You hit yourself in the face.
Alright, how's it look?
It's looking like, oh, yeah, you can really see how bent the AC condenser is. It's looking like we got more parts to add to the pile.
It's already bent. Like, I don't want to like punch one and then like.
Steering wheel just like
Airbags.
explodes. Alright, taking these off now. Should take your toe out.
Yeah. Well, actually, let me try to turn it around again.
Alright,
Because
get that first start up.
Hopefully they're on the wrong one. Makes it exciting. I gotta turn it on.
Whoa,
Man,
that's mint.
I think that's
Alright, let's hear roar to life.
Yeah, we got nothing.
Well, yeah, the lights in there. Oh, come on, baby.
Still works.
Horn works.
Turn the blower motor.
maximize power demand.
Well, looks like we're. Let's see here. Nope. Alright, we're jumping her with the good old Maz, the 2626. 262.
626.
These are some nice wheels, huh? You know, she got some now, but like that oil seal, look at that. That's how it's supposed to be.
Wait, shine the light.
I don't want to be a new
Shine the light. I need to see where this one goes. 'Cause that just goes to ground, right?
Oh no! Oh god!
My yellow's sprayed. All I can do is explode.
Oh, she's on now.
Alright. Figure it out.
Oh. I think so.
Nah, I think you're mid.
Ooh.
He sparked it.
What happened?
You're good. You're good.
The engine's about to turn off, but like. Oh! He's living, dude!
Take it off.
Yeah.
Oh, it just fucking smells bad, dude.
She lives!
Alright, get her out the way.
The question is the van, like. Fan's a little loud.
Something sounds so good in there.
Yeah, something don't sound too good. Alright, the build is complete. Oh! Yeah. Update, well, she kind of died in the middle of the yard. It's a little chilly out here. That's where we need to go. This is where it is.
Died.
No, it didn't. Not throwing it back.
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Dashboard's like a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
This is the season.
I don't want to. Oh no! No! Still wait.
What'd you do?
I just knocked it off. I'm in.
Preston, why you sped?
How the fuck do you get this shit to fit?
You're gonna blow
Oh,
every
what the
fuse in the
fuck?
car.
God.
Fuck, you sped.
My bad.
Turn it off. How'd you make it fall off?
How'd you make it fit?
Put it on like that.
Oh. I didn't know you
Like a
could go that.
man.
I didn't know you could go that low. I was trying to go in the big part.
Car's a little dead.
Yeah, I got a little stuck. I halfway down. She kind of turned off.
God, I probably killed all my battery I had left.
Come on.
It's gonna start.
And bring the Mazda over here.
How are we
I
getting?
think that one was okay.
It's proper technique, right? You put the black on first.
This does not sound good at all. We
Oh,
should be
lights
working
are
on
on.
this thing.
Alright.
Take two.
Should I give it a sec before I let her fire?
Yeah.
Let her charge up. Let's let her charge up.
Just slam it.
Hey, press and rev your engine. It'll make the battery charge faster.
Really? No.
I mean, it kind of does.
kind of would, but like.
It's not what it's.
We put that red line for a while. It'll charge it real quick. Well, if you put it on
It
red
has-
line, there's
it
more
has
volts, so it'll
16
charge faster.
16 horsepower.
Well, then all 16 will be used to charge my car. Full set.
That sounds terrible.
It's not loud at all.
All right, I think it's charged now.
Did I help it?
Is that red line?
Yeah, no, I mean, for a little bit. It was like 7.5K. Oh, what a beauty. This thing never disappoints.
A little bit of smoke. Piston
run for a
rings.
second?
Piston rings.
I should just leave my car there just in case it fucking dies again. You think you can move it?
Yeah, I wouldn't trust your car there if it dies again.
Think you can back out of there?
Yeah, just move your car.
Oh yeah, because if it dies again, it's just gonna roll into my car.
It still sounds good.
It does sound good now.
You took it off.
Sounds good still. Oh! It's just a fender liner, folks. Don't die again, please.
Whoa!
Oh!
Shit!
These called bumper stops or something?
Yeah. Go sideways.
They're coming off now.
Where did it
Oh, it's in the corner over there.
Crap, am I able to take this thing off? Oh, hell yeah.
Just bend it.
It's already bent. It's pretty bad.
Oh, nah.
Come on.
What? It won't come
I won't believe it.
this corner right in? Huh?
Dude, look for the white
Yes,
cord.
the white cord. The white Honda Accord.
How do you get
Try it
this
upside down.
upside down your mom? I'm just gonna get a flex show and send it. Definitely gonna break it.
Or you just get a ratchet.
No, that's too much work. Why would I do that?
Got them off.
How's it look?
Starting to look more like we can take this engine out and put LS in it.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. Honestly, I think you should put it.
Alright, so now we gotta take off the this junk that's connected to this thing. It's like welded on there. And this thing's all sorts of clapped, AC condenser's all clapped. So you gotta undo that down there. And then hopefully we can get the AC condenser off with the cord. And then the radiator will come out, we'll drain the coolant. Time to drill up the welds.
I'm telling you, this shit is too big.
Safety glasses on the head, not the face.
Yeah. Safety's number one player.
This is definitely not.
Yeah,
So,
she's coming off now.
the drill worked, boys. We got this thing off.
Get the other side. Give me the other side. And then,
Other side, baby.
gotta cut all the zip ties with the wiring.
AC condenser is out.
I'm making AC bolts back.
It's a little bent. A little bent. Seen worse, seen better. Alright, now we gotta drill out these welds. And then she should slide off. Oh yeah, that's how you do her.
Oh yeah. That's good.
Right, make
Hold the bottom like other. Oh, yeah. That's the thing. That's the hood latch, the gay latch. That doesn't work. Still hooked on right in the middle. Just whip her out. Just
Hey, wait. I know how to fix this.
Drill time.
it's right here. Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh
There
yeah.
we go.
Doors and ports off. Finally.
I should took.
There we go.
We're down.
Look at that thing.